How to make your Instagram followers and following private. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to of course open our Instagram app. And then once you are now here, the next thing that we need to do is to just go here on the bottom right corner of the screen and then click your profile icon. Once you are now here, go here on the upper right corner of the screen and then click the three horizontal lines. After that, once you are now here, just scroll down until you see the account privacy. So in this part, what we are going to do is to change our privacy from a public account into a private account. So all you have to do is to click on this. So turn it on. Once you do that, that is basically it. Instagram will now make your Instagram followers and following private. However, if you don't want to make your account private, but at the same time you want to hide your Instagram followers and following, then what we're going to do next is to scroll down right here and then just look for help, which is in this part. So click on that and then click report a problem. And then just report a problem right there and then click report a problem once again. And then in this part, just click include and continue. So in this part, all you have to do is to just mention that you would like to make your Instagram followers and following private without actually making your account private. So just say it right here. And then after that, once you're now done with this, just click the send button. And then once you click the send button, all you have to do is to just wait for a bit and then Instagram will get back to you and then they will help you make your Instagram followers and following private. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to make your Instagram followers and following private.